What's up guys, Theo again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. A new tool in the shop. Now Sterling Kit has been sending me all these different tools. Got the lathe and also that mini table saw. That was really cool, and the sander on the side. This is the latest one. I think this one is a drill press. So if you're interested in any of these, go check out the links down below. But let's have a look what you get. Nice packaging, which is always helpful. First up we have here the power adapter, obviously to run it. Bench vise. Awesome. Haven't seen it myself, so unboxing it the first time with you guys, but check out that. Oh, it's heavy. There's that. Also have some other stuff here as well. Power cable and some other stuff that will, some tools, got a little toolkit there, and other things like that that we'll figure out when we plug it all in. But wow, look at that. It does weigh a lot. That's awesome. So I've got to figure out how to use it. But that's what you get in the box. Let's see what it does, and I'll plug it all up and see it a bit. All right, got it all plugged in here. Now this power supply is cool. It goes all the way from, I think, 12 to 24 volt. And that's what this can pretty much can take. So it's really good. Now you can, so I'll basically show you, got this nice little display board. So it's got 16.5. And if you ramp up this, you can see it'll change, see, all the way to 24. Now the motor can take that, which is great. And if you want to just change the speed of the motor, you can use it with this if you want, or with the variable control just here. So if you turn it on just like that, you can hear it, and you can wind it down to nothing, or if you go on here as well, you can wind it all up, so 24 all the way down to 12. Now this display here, it won't change. It only gives you the initial input, as you can see. So if I put this all the way up to whatever that was, 16, it'll say 16, but if you try to ramp it down, it won't display that. Push down on this switch, turns it off, down the other way, goes in reverse. That's pretty much it. You also have an on and off switch just here as well, but if you want to just leave it on there and just turn it on and off by this board, you can do that whatever you really want to. The chuck goes from 1mm to 6mm, and the vise goes all the way up to around about 70mm, which is around about just over 2.5 inches for you guys in the States. Not much else to do, but try it out. Bit of aluminium there, it's quite thick to be honest. So let's just clamp it down. I do like this, and it's very heavy. The whole weight is 4.8 kilos when you get the package, but the actual machine itself is around about 4 kilos. Let's do it. Let's turn it on, and let's give it a go. I'll go on this side. And good thing about being nice and heavy, it obviously doesn't really move that much, so go nice and slow. And I do believe this display, once it goes in, it actually does, see that? It tells you the speed, in case you wanted to know. So that's it, through one side. Let's go through the other side, continue, and let's see how it goes. Like I said, it's nice and accurate, perfect for a hobbyist like me, I reckon. You're not going to be doing massive jobs with this, but we're making RC staffs and all that kind of stuff. So you can see it's dropped down from what, 18 to 17 point whatever, 6 or 4 there. But that's it. So let's see how that looks. Turn it off. There you go. Nice clean hole. These ones here are from just with a drill, normal hand drill, as you can see. Nice. I don't know what else to say about it, but it seems nice. The quality is really good. It's really beefy. It's 4 kilos. Like I said, it does weigh a lot. And for a mini tool like this, it's perfect. Like I said, I've got my little lathe there. All the links for these will be down below if you want to go check it out. I've got my little drill press and a little table saw and the sander. So it's really good. They all pretty much use the same power supply. If you want to variable the speed, you can do it by this. I don't think you really need to do that when you're drilling. But there you go. All the way to 0. Comes with, like I said, your little toolkit, and also some more hardware there. I'm not too sure what they're for, and some grub screws. I'm just trying to look for, I can't really see anything else what you need it for, but yeah, I'm happy with it so far. Like I said, weighs a lot, good for the bench. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Yeah, slowly getting a little machining shop here. I think I need what's the next one? A mill. A mill would be good. I can mill some blocks and stuff. But there we go guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Any questions, leave them down below. See you in the next video.